Daruifuno MCC200 series is a multi-channel digital universal controller. It can connect multiple digital sensors for measurement at the same time, and can display the detection values and calculated values of all connected sensors. Below we demonstrate the operation method of connecting MCC200-A4 with 4 sensors. The accessories required as follows. You can see the wiring terminals. Open the front cover of the controller. You can see the wiring terminals. The sensor wiring terminals has been connected before leaving the factory. Insert the power cord into the cable gland interface. The power cord has 2 wire ends. Connect the live wire to the terminal corresponding to L. Connect the neutral wire to the terminal corresponding to N. After wiring is completed, close the front cover and tighten the 4 screws. Tighten the waterproof cable gland. Connect the hub to the controller. Connect the 4 sensors to the cable, respectively. Connect the M12 connectors of all sensors to the hub. Connect the controller to the power supply and turn on the switch. After the controller is connected to the electrode, it needs to scan first. Then the measurement value can be displayed. After returning to the measurement interface, press the left or right button to switch between the multi-parameter and the single parameter interface.